girls, where are we going? Hawaii, Ohana.
Gone west to see the sun. There's a fortune here if you got time, but I found mine buried in the golden hills.
We're in Hawaii. What are we doing now? Spoiler alert. It's in the background.
Found Pontiolo and wave riders, but chose neither.
This is our trek down this little slope. And when I say little, I mean big.
I've gone west, where the canyons fall into the deep blue sea. Took a left from the hills of Tennessee. I've gone west, bring the best back with me.
Reporting live from the location of A Quiet Place. The only place that in the movie they go that you can finally eat your popcorn because it's so quiet the rest of the movie. There's our girls.
Where the wild horses run.
Splash zone.
Caught a painted angel moonrise, kind of spit fire, like a bullet from a smoking gun.
Going back to mama's homeland, playing in the field of dreams. I was looking where the corn grows and the skies glow, and I found your beauty.
What's up, guys? We are currently kayaking. I was gonna say canoeing. I always get them confused. And I don't even know if it captures, like, on video how beautiful it actually is. It looks like Jurassic Park. It does, yeah, just with a lot more water. Yeah. And so we are kayaking over to a little beach. So it'll be like a 30 to 45 minute ride over there. And then we're gonna hang out at the beach and eat lunch. And I'm currently kayaking with one arm. It's just fun to just chill and look at the beautiful sights. Like, check this out.
To guess, I've gone west. I've gone west, rolling down the highway like a tumbleweed.
She's excited to touch the water.
Where the canyons fall into the deep blue sea. Took a left.
It feels good, guys. I wish you could feel it.
I've gone west, bring the best back with me. I've gone west, bring the best back with me. Fight is coming. It's the only thing I know. This war is crumbling.
We got that Hawaiian shaved ice. Fruit. Papaya and mango? No, pineapple. Oh, wow.
And there's macadamia ice cream at the bottom. So
You guys are so adventurous. I just got watermelon and cherry because that's my go-to. And Faith got watermelon and banana. So, Hawaiian shaved ice is pretty dang good.
Be on this life, don't let me be.
Okay, we are getting ready to go on our helicopter. We're super excited. Kelsey's a little nervous, but we're gonna go on that little tiny guy over there. That's our little one. It's so cute.
You went farther than I ever could. Oh, I need your light. Come wake me up.
We're in the helicopter. Kelsey's gonna be flying us on this thing. Captain Marvel.
Like a soldier, away without a lead. Out here wandering, I need that beckon for my feet. Must be sleeping, dreaming of a fight that I can't see. Don't let me be. Come wake me up. My eyes, they can see it's messing my life. This fight is not against flesh and blood. There is a single hope, 'cause you went farther than I ever could. Oh, I need your light. on the other side, but it's the getting through that door that has me breaking down inside. It's more than knowing all the good I ought to do, 'cause my legs won't always move. I need your love, oh I need you. And hope is waiting for me on the other side. It's the getting through that door that has me breaking